Hello everyone, welcome to Study IQS English. My name is Praveen Mishra, and in this video, we shall be discussing about which High Court is having the biggest jurisdiction area. So obviously the answer is clear in front of you, that is the Guwahati High Court. So why Guwahati High Court, and what are the states that the Guwahati High Court actually covers? So first of all, the four states. Obviously it is Assam, then Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. So guys, remember, when it comes to which High Court has got the lengthiest jurisdiction, so it is the Guwahati High Court that is covering the four states of Northeast, wonderful, beautiful Northeast, obviously. So it's Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. So the questions, why? The Guwahati High Court is going ahead with four states. And apart from that, does our constitution permits such a thing? And the next big question, was it really the four high courts, or was it really the four different states, or was it something bigger than that or lesser than that? Then let's go ahead with the proper history. So as you can see, High Court of Assam, that is basically Guwahati, was originally established in the year 1935. Through the Government of India Act 1935 itself. And initially at that time, it covered 6 different areas. Yes, absolutely, 6 different areas. First is Assam, then the second one is the NEFA, that is the Northeastern Frontier Agency, Naga Hill Districts, that later became Nagaland, then Lushai Hill Districts, that later became Mizoram, and then Tripura, okay, which was also under the Guwahati High Court jurisdiction, and finally Manipur. But there is a bit twist. Assam, yes, Assam at that time was also having another state with itself, another wonderful area in our northeast, that is Meghalaya. Okay, that was carved out of the state of Assam itself in the year 1972, right? So technically, if you see, the Guwahati High Court was serving for the 7 different areas, as in simply, it was the single High Court for the whole of our 7 sisters of Northeast, right? So let's go ahead and understand the whole scenario. Changes over time, how the jurisdiction was separated. Okay, so as northeastern states were carved out and recognized, separate high courts were created gradually. Like the year 2013, 3 different high courts were created. That is the High Court of Meghalaya, Manipur and Tripura. Okay, so in 2013, 3 high courts were established. Once again, High Court of Manipur, High Court of Meghalaya, as well as the High Court of Tripura. Okay, and now after 2013, the State High Court of Guwahati was left with those 4 jurisdiction areas. And now the big question, why these new high courts were created? Obviously, the very obvious reason, the very first one, that is the growing caseload or the growing workload. Second, obviously, for the sake of administrative convenience. And third, the increased demand for local jurisdiction infrastructure as the states matured the post-statehood, specifically states like Manipur and Tripura. Okay, and further, obviously, the state of Meghalaya, right? And now, the next thing here, how one high court can serve as the high courts for multiple states. Well, we have got answers here. Article 214, it says that each and every state shall have its own high court. But Article 231 serves as exception to Article 214. Article 231 empowers whom? Empowers the parliament. Guys, first of all, empowers the parliament to establish a common high court for 2 or more states, or a state and a union territory. But there is a twist. Article 231 said that the parliament can create a common high court for 2 or more states. But the very same article was not dealing with common high court for a state and a union territory. So this thing was subsequently added through the 7th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1956, through which we got the States Reorganization Act. Right, everyone? So remember, Article 231 initially just served that the parliament has the authority to create a common high court for 2 or more states. Like we had Punjab and Haryana High Court, we have got the Chandigarh High Court, right? We have got the Bombay and Goa High Court. They are same, that is the Bombay High Court only. Okay, so in that very same way, the parliament was having the authority. But like for example, the Calcutta High Court also takes care about Andaman and Nicobar. The Kerala High Court also takes care about the Lakshadweep Islands. So this thing was added through the 7th Constitutional Amendment Act 1956. Right, everyone? So I hope this is all clear. And now the next big question, why one high court served so many northeastern states? What was the reason? So first and foremost, sparse population in the early years. Okay, our Northeast was not having that dense and and obviously that huge population. Second reason, several Northeast regions were not full states like Tripura, Manipur, and even Meghalaya. And finally, judicial infrastructure was limited. And so Parliament used Article 231 to avoid unnecessary duplication. Right? So remember, guys, initially, to just provide you the crux, initially, there was Assam, that is the Guwahati High Court, that was taking care about Assam. And at that time, Meghalaya didn't existed. So Assam and Meghalaya, that is one. Then Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, as well as Arunachal Pradesh. But later in the year 2013, Meghalaya, Manipur, and Tripura, they got their own high courts. Okay, and so for now, Assam is taking care about Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, and Mizoram. Right? So this is what the whole scenario. I hope this is now all clear to every one of you, and there would be existing no doubt. But still, in case you have any doubt, please feel free to connect with me on my Telegram as well as Instagram. So my Instagram account is Pravin Mishra _2107. If you have any issues, you can ping me here, or else you can connect with me on my Telegram. That is here with the QR code. Okay, with the channel name Praveen _Study IQ. Right? And also you can provide us simply your comment into the comment section, and I shall take back your comment and we'll discuss in the next very video. Right, everyone? And please do hit the subscribe button of the channel, Study IQ IAS English, and never miss an update from it. But yes, an announcement for our dear serious UPSC CSE aspirants. We are ending our sale today. That is on 15th of November. What is this sale? It is the UPSC Learners Day sale, where we are providing you our subscription at the cheapest of the prices. First of all, it's about SIP. What is SIP? It is Success in Prelims Program. So if you're looking forward to crack 2026 year of examination, obviously the first step is the preliminary. So for that, we have got for you the SIP, that is once again Success in Prelims Program, where you will be given 250 plus hours of live lectures. Even if you don't have any clue, any knowledge of the subjects, don't worry. Join our SIP and our expert faculties will guide you through the best way. And secondly, let's talk about the assessment part, that is the test series. So in our SIP, we are providing you 75 plus test series. Okay, 75 plus tests. So it is including the evaluation as well as test discussions, right? So 75 plus tests for your test series, okay? And yes, 250 plus hours of live lectures. So how much amount I need to pay? The petty amount, the peanut amount, basically 4,999 only. But this amount can also be reduced down if you use this promo code, that is PRV Live. Just apply this promo code and enjoy the maximum discount on your subscription. And further, if you are an aspirant eyeing for 2027, and for that same also sale is about to end today, or even 28, the sale is about to end today itself. Right, guys? So quickly enroll yourself, okay, today itself, so that you can able to enjoy maximum discount. Like for 2028, the price is 32,999. But once again, if you apply this promo code PRV Live, you will get the maximum discount. And for 2027, if you are an aspirant for 27, so once again, the price is 18,999. But here you will also get maximum discount if you apply this promo code, that is PRV Live. Okay, everyone, so just quickly enroll yourself before the end of the day so that you can save your money and enjoy the subscription at the cheapest price. And yes, guys, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button of the channel so that you never miss any update from it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Good day. Take care. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.